Hi guys, what's up? How you doing? What's going on with you? Now in Ghana, wherever you go, you hear say people are saying they make hot, and now in the tree dialect, my shit or they are broke. But then, wait, let there be an event, and then people would have to get tickets. You see the number of people there, but people are still saying they are broke. Anyways, well, that's not my business. My problem is how do you navigate yourself out of that financial problem? That's what I'll be discussing with you today. Okay, so the first step I'll be giving you is that first you need to assess the kind of situation you are in. How terrible is your financial situation? Is it that you are poor and your poor is, let's say, that 10,000 cedis poor, like you don't have 10,000 cedis, or your poor is 1,000 cedis, or your poor is 10 cedis, or your poor is one cedi, just so you don't even have one cedi. You need to assess the kind of situation you are in. How bad is it? Before you can understand how you can come out of it. Do you get? Yes. And the next thing is that after assessing and understanding the kind of situation you are, where you have gotten to, are you at level 1 or level 10? Yes. After doing that, you need to now prioritize your expenses. Okay. But then focus on your needs. By needs, you can think of food, transportation, and housing if you are renting. But if you are not, food, transportation, and maybe some basic needs. But then not wants. Like you need to get the latest watch from wherever, you need to buy the latest iPhone and all that. Those are wants. Charlie, you are in a financial problem and you are thinking of satisfying your wants. No. Try to satisfy your needs. And the next thing that I'd like to talk to you about is that yes, now you're in a situation where you owe a lot of people. Your creditors want to kill you. There are times that people can owe people for over a year, even months, days, weeks, and they have no idea as to how they are going to go about the situation. Stop running from your creditors. Stop hiding. What you need to do is that confront them, talk to them, negotiate your way out. Okay, guy, I'm sorry. I know I'm owing you. I've been trying my best. But then this is the payment plan I would like to propose to you. So let's say every month I'll give you 10 cedis as a way of paying my debt. Maybe the person might say that 10 cedis is too small, so make it 15 cedis. Now you know that you are negotiating. Okay, so after negotiating, you can find a way of paying your creditors. Then you are good to go. So, the last point I'll be leaving with you is that you need to have an emergency plan. By emergency plan, I mean save. And when you are saving, make sure that you are not touching it unless it's an emergency. You do not touch it unless it's an emergency. So that when you find yourself wanting, when you find yourself in a very terrible situation, you know that at least you have your emergency plan you can just look at. Take it and pay your debt or settle the kind of situation that you are in. So, yes, if you have tried all these things and it's not working, please seek a financial advisor who would help you come out of your situation because I've done my best. If it's not working, you need to find yourself a financial advisor, and I don't even know if you can pay for that because it's expensive. Anyways, I'm giving you the tips for free, so make sure the tips I'm giving you works. Bye, guys.